You can sit upright with your feet flat on the floor or lie down. Allow your arms to rest loosely by your sides. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Let your attention settle into your body right here, right now. Shoulders and hands. Let's start with your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift them up towards your ears. Hold. Now breathe out and let them drop heavily. Now clench both fists tightly. Hold the tension. Feel it in your hands and arms. And release. Let your fingers uncurl. Notice the warmth and lightness. Face and jaw. Bring your attention to your face. Tense all the muscles. Squeeze your eyes shut. Wrinkle your nose. Clench your jaw. Hold. And release. Let your face soften completely. Unclench your jaw. Maybe let your mouth hang slightly open. Chest and back. Take a full breath into your chest. Now hold that breath. Puff out your chest and gently arch back. Feel the tension. And release. Let your back sink. Let your chest relax. Feel the breath flowing naturally again. Stomach and core. Now draw in your belly, tighten your core, hold. Hold the tension. And exhale, let your belly loosen and expand. Notice how it feels to let go. Legs and feet. Point your toes forward. Tense your calves and thighs. Make your legs strong, solid, and hold. And relax. Let them go limp. Let the floor support their weight. Now, flex your feet upward, toes towards your face. Tighten your calves again. Hold. And release. Let your legs feel heavy. Let go of all effort. Full body integration. Now, take a moment to scan your whole body from head to toe. Notice areas that still hold tension, and with each breath, invite them to soften. Breathe in, and as you exhale, imagine warmth spreading throughout your muscles. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. You're teaching your body to let go, to rest. Closing, returning. Let yourself rest here in stillness for a few more breaths. If thoughts come, acknowledge them and return to your body, to this calm, this ease. When you feel ready, begin to gently move your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders or stretch your arms. And when it feels right, slowly open your eyes. Bring this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.